hope this is good light and all. That's about maybe 20 feet in front of my boat. It's been going on for 10 or 15 minutes, but I've never seen it before. Is it an underwater pipe? Do we have a hippopotamus? Oh man, I think it's moving away from me. It's something alive. What the heck? It's moving closer to the shore and away from me. What?